equilibrate them. I forgot to even explain you this. But this one, they are always running together. So you don't have problem with this. With these ones, when you are running 2 pumps, after running for some time, you switch to the next pump. So that, you see now this one has run for 12 hours, this one just 3. This one just 3 hours. You will be checking from here, so that time to time, maybe when this one has run maybe 24 or 30, you come, you stop this pump, you try to run this one. So you always make sure that you always run the pumps. I was here with Lagoon. Here we have when the pump is running, this lamp is on. For Lagoon, there is a fault now because maybe the circuit breaker is off. This is Lagoon circuit breaker. If I turn it on, it's still there after a pin before you go. But if it is off, you on it, you will not, don't think that it will go. You cannot start your Lagoon pump. So you have to up it before it will go. And if you can look here, with our Lagoon pump, we don't have any button here to start the pump. So to start Lagoon pump, you must be at Lagoon pump. We'll go there later, I will show you. There is no button here to start Lagoon pump. It ends here. You have just the low level and the high level. If the level is low, this one will come on. And when this one comes on, you will stop the pump. You will stop the Lagoon pump. When the level is high, this one will come on. When it's on automatic mode, when the level is high on, this one is on, obviously it will start the Lagoon pump. This one will start the Lagoon pump. This one will stop, this one will start. Here you have the pre-settlement. It's at the pre-settlement down there. We have a slot from there. Now you can on it, on and off. You cannot on it from that pre-settlement.
So there's no control from that side?
You cannot on it from there. The pre-settlement and the sedimation tank, both of these two, you on them just here. You cannot on them on the panel. Exception for the Lagoon. It's only the Lagoon you can on it from there. For these two, you cannot on them there. And now you have these lamps. This is level high, level low, level high, level low. For now, you're supposed to install P's that they will be using these red lamps, but since we have bypassed them, because there is something. This one is for the mud, and those chambers supposed to be built such a way that they're supposed to be divided into two. One side the mud will come in, then at that place to install the piece. But they are not done that. So now I have bridged them. These ones are on. You can now, the pumps can run, but they cannot protect your pump. So if you are doing it for now, you want to make sure that there is always water.
So if I switch it on when the water is not there, it will just continue running?
It will just continue running because there is no protection for that. Because unless I install the piece in the big pre-settlement tank and in the sedimation tank, that one I will see before I leave. Maybe I will install them before I will know. This one is for the low level. Then here is wash pump 1, wash pump 2. I think you have everything because it's almost like the same. You have running for that post timing. It's just like the other ones. Then you have here pump choice. You can choose which pump you want to use, either this or that. Not you cannot choose. You cannot run two of them because you have to select here. Either you choose one. You cannot say I want both of them. Here, this one is just to see if your power is okay. When your power is okay, this one will come on. If this one comes on. Then there's 4 for the faces. This one is for the mostly the main panel. This one is stop emergency. If I push here, this light will come on unless I use the key to open. If I don't use the key to open, it will never go off. And each time you use the key to open, always make sure you acquit before it will go off. If you don't acquit, it will never go off. This one is showing that its presence 24 volt. Right? We have it here, presence 240 volt and solar presence. So now these lamps, they are using solar. They are using solar for these lamps. They are showing you that we have the solar present.
Celui-ci, fault phase, et stop emergency. Fault phase, c'est ce disjoncteur-là qui saute ou c'est celui-là? C'est celui-là.
Oui, si celui-là, même s'il y a une phase qui est partie, celui-ci va
Fault
s'allumer.
phase is if you have this breaker off or
One phase is, but if one phase is not good, this one will come on. If 2 phases are not good, if in short, if this one is not okay, this one will be on. And there is nothing you can do to take it off unless this one is okay. This is Kenya Power, and this is off. Okay. Here you have the external lighting. External lighting here. The lamps on the pole. Now it's on automatic mode. I have regulated it at 6 p.m. 6 p.m. the light will come on. 6 a.m. the light will go off. If it is here, there is nothing. If it's on manual, if you check, the lamps are on outside. The security lamps and the poles, they are on. Now, this is manually. I do it manually. I want them to come on now. They will come on. But now, automatic. 6 p.m. the lamps are on. 6 a.m. the lamps are off. This one is the acquit, at least you know about it. This one is to test the lamp. The lamps on the board, you want to see if all of them are okay. You can see that everything is okay. Every lamp is showing, so there is no wonder you say that it's bad. Maybe it's not working because of one problem or other. I think this one